Straining to hear what actors are whispering during a dramatic movie scene only to be completely blasted out of your seat by a sudden, deafening explosion a few seconds later is an incredibly annoying ritual of modern home entertainment. Most built-in TV speakers are flat, tinny, and completely incapable of handling dense modern audio tracks, leaving you constantly riding the volume button on your remote. The newest model Amazon Fire TV Soundbar Plus with Subwoofer completely rewrites your movie nights and binge-watching sessions, packing a cinema-grade multi-channel theater experience into a compact, low-profile framework. It upgrades your living room into an acoustic powerhouse that balances thunderous, deep bass with crystal-clear vocal precision. The core engineering breakthrough of the Soundbar Plus is its true 3.1-channel driver architecture. While basic 2.0-channel soundbars lump vocals and environmental sound effects together into the left and right speakers, causing dialogue to get completely buried, this 3.1 setup features a dedicated center channel speaker.
What'd you think? I wasn't going to hear about this? What's my cut?
Combined with an intelligent, advanced, clear dialogue enhancement setting, speech is actively isolated and elevated above background music and sound effects, ensuring you never miss a single piece of plot-critical dialogue or a subtle whisper again. To deliver an immersive, theater-style soundstage right in your living room, the Soundbar Plus integrates premium, license-backed spatial audio processing through Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. Using sophisticated acoustic algorithms, the system creates an enveloping, multi-dimensional 3D layout that moves sound dynamically all around your seating area. When watching action blockbusters, sports, or playing video games, you will feel the physical sensation of helicopters buzzing directly overhead and cars panning smoothly from left to right across your wall. This expansive cinematic atmosphere is backed by a powerful, dedicated wireless subwoofer that injects chest-thumping, resonant low-end bass into action sequences and musical scores without cluttering your floor space with messy speaker wires. Setting up and navigating the audio system is completely seamless, especially for households already using Amazon's entertainment ecosystem. Optimized to work flawlessly with Fire TV streaming media players and Fire TV smart televisions, the system connects to your TV using a single included HDMI ER cable, allowing you to instantly control the soundbar's power and volume using your existing TV remote control. If you want to transition from watching a movie to playing music during a gathering, the chassis features built-in Bluetooth connectivity, making it entirely effortless to pair your smartphone or tablet and stream high-fidelity playlists wirelessly from services like Amazon Music, Spotify, and Apple Music. With a slim, minimalist exterior that slides neatly underneath your TV legs without blocking your remote control sensor, it effortlessly integrates into any modern console or wall-mounted media layout. If you are ready to permanently stop guessing what characters are saying, eliminate the frustration of flat TV audio, and experience your favorite movies enveloped in deep, cinematic spatial sound, this 3.1-channel sound system is the ultimate living room upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know if you are upgrading your main living room setup or a bedroom TV, and I will see you in the next video.